Disclaimer: cryptocurrencies are a high-risk investment and may not be suitable for all members of the public and all types of investors. You should not purchase cryptocurrency unless you understand the extent of your exposure to potential loss. Any videos I create is for educational purposes only. Please be aware of the risk before participating. This channel is not responsible for any decisions you may make during your cryptocurrency journey. Please seek independent financial advice if necessary before participating.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Crypto Bren here. Hopefully you guys have been awesome. So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about passive legends. The name behind passive legends is all my income streams coming in, guys, are obviously all passive in multiple different industries. All right, one being in the gold and silver industry, cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoins, staking coins, and also an Amazon FBA fulfilled by Amazon. Also some other income streams in the Forex industry, doing passive trades with software. I work with a lot of AI, so artificial intelligence software in the crypto industry, Forex industry, and Passive Legends is basically my Discord server, my brand, which I'm starting, and I have over about 500 investors in here already, and I want to grow this really big to help people all around the world that want to create passive income streams. So I'm very passionate about what I do. I love this industry in finances. I love the aspect of passive income, living a lifestyle that I enjoy. Love to travel and to make money while I sleep. And a great quote from Albert Einstein: if you don't find a way to make passive income, you will work until you die. And that really set home for me when I was on this journey. And I wanted to basically show you guys exactly what I've been doing in the last 5 years, perfecting and trialing and erroring and succeeding and failing and learning along my journey. I want to be that source to people that want to create residual passive income. And I have different industries that you can choose from. And I created a Discord server. If you guys aren't familiar with Discord, I do have a tutorial down in the description below, which will help you get set up in Passive Legends, what it is, how it works, how to navigate it, how to update your profile, adding a profile picture, changing your username, etc., etc. Okay, so on this video, guys, I want to show you guys exactly what I'm doing, what projects are working for me. Obviously, read the disclaimer. I'm not in control of anyone's investments. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just saying what's working for me. And if you guys want to get involved, reach out to me and I can help you guys out. Okay, so this is a one central hub of information for support, tutorial videos on all the videos that I'm going to be creating through my YouTube channel, Crypto Bren. And basically want to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. All right, so welcome to Passive Legends, your one-stop shop for creating multiple passive income streams in multi-million, billion, trillion-dollar industries. In order to be successful in becoming financially free in your life, you need to have diversification, passive income streams, so no matter what happens in life, you have multiple streams of income to take care of you. Nothing is guaranteed in this life, so we have to take control, strategize, diversify, and keep an open mind to new possibilities and to always keep growing. We have a team of financial diversification partners who are experts in their field and making money online. Our team look into transparency of each project that we think will be a good fit for investors. We conduct in-depth research on every project and test out the project before sharing the opportunity to make sure everything is operational and safe for others to join. We do very in-depth due diligence to meeting the owners, recording private Zoom calls with the team behind the projects, and build transparency within our networks. We travel the world to make sure these companies are doing exactly what they say that they are doing. We have particular, specific, in-depth questions to ask and get answered before we pull the trigger on promotions. We still ask members to conduct their own due diligence and become our partner in helping everyone become successful in this space. Any type of value you can give is encouraged. We make a decision based on if the project is suitable for investors to join and to start earning with us based off our research, experience, and insight. We have successfully been doing this for over 5 years and want to bring this income wealth strategies to those that want to learn with us and who want to grow with us. Here. So starting obviously with the wealth education, I want to keep you guys informed. I want to educate you guys on what's really happening in the world. We're living in a debt system with the fiat system, meaning dollars, cash. They're pointless. They're IOUs. They're printing money out of thin air. and initially are trading inflation in devaluing the dollar. And I have a lot of information here for you guys that will show you guys exactly about why cryptocurrency and this industry and blockchain technology is so important. So I found a video on YouTube called the Crypto Movie, Magic Money, the Bitcoin Revolution, that you guys can watch. So I'm going to keep you guys updated and to show you guys exactly more about finances. And it's really up to you guys if you want to dive in more or learn more about it. But I think it's a really good overview of the gist of things from how the world works, how we're all operating on a debt system, from mortgages to home loans to any kind of credit card debt. We're all living in this slave society, and so this will basically show you guys the truth, the harsh truth that a lot of people are not exposed to, and the reasons why they don't teach this in education in schools. And so I think it's really interesting, guys, to learn about this. But moving on, if you guys want to learn about that, it's in wealth education here, and there'll be more videos as you go along that I'll post in there that I think will be very valuable for you guys. One thing about the crypto industry, guys, that I like to do is getting in early and also strategizing. All right, so my main goal coming into any project, any type of investment, is getting your investment back as soon as possible. All right, the reason why is because anything can happen in this space, in crypto, in Forex, in Amazon, in gold and silver, the stock market. You could die tomorrow. You get hit by a car. Nothing's guaranteed in this life, guys, but you could strategize. You know, there's circumstances and decisions which lead to consequences. And so it's really important that you understand the strategy coming into anything in the space. If it's crypto or Forex or any kind of industry that where you're putting your money involved into it, you have to strategize. What's your goal? A lot of people come in here and just think they're going to compound it forever, and all of a sudden the company goes down, they lose everything. I'm like, well, that's not a good strategy. Good strategy is to have, obviously, someone that knows what they're doing in this space, that has a general clue in the industry. That's me. I'm basically indulging in all these markets and learning everything I can. I'm a sponge. I'm a sponge in the financial industry to learning compounding interest, strategizing, trial and erroring. What works, what doesn't work, what's high risk, what's medium risk, what's low risk. All right, so I want to start you guys off right in this journey. When I'm looking at things in the investment space or making money online, you obviously want to start with a low risk, long-term investment with good ROI, because obviously starting out in the gold and silver industry is probably be the safest bet for everyone. So collecting gold and silver is going to be very beneficial for anybody coming into this industry. So gold and silver, number one, and then getting into the crypto industry and purchasing Bitcoin or Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple or Stellar Lumen, any kind of cryptocurrency that you believe is going to do good. You got to do your research on there. I have some projections. I have some coin predictions that have made me 50% ROI, over 2,000% ROI in the Bitcoin industry. That has been working for me, and I know it's working for others as well. Okay, so moving forward, guys, I want to talk to you guys about 7K metals first, and then we'll move down into the other projects, which are medium risk to high risk. Okay, so I want to start you guys off with obviously something I believe is safe, which is gold and silver. I collect gold and silver every single month. I have a subscription where it sends me silver every single month to my door, and also I could purchase other coins as well. So I have this 2-ounce Donald Trump silver coin, which is really cool. I can sell that to a pawn shop. If the price of silver goes up, you're able to resell these to a specific buyer. If you have someone on Facebook, a friend of yours, we're doing these Liberty Silver Eagle coins that are also very valuable. They're in these cool cases that keep them in pristine condition. And it's really cool, guys, because now I'm learning about gold and silver and how valuable that is. If the price of gold and silver goes up, it's a win-win situation, right? So I'm collecting. So this is something long-term, safe, and it's not going to go anywhere. This company's not going to go anywhere. Very valuable. And so that's one option for you guys. You know, 7K Metals is a very good company here. Obviously, when you come into the Discord server, you're going to see 7K Metals info, and then below the opportunity is going to be the 7K Metals chat. Okay, so sorry for my Amazon service notifications. I'll show you guys that last. That's a really cool one that I'm working on that I'll explain to you guys later. Okay, so the 7K Metals presentation, I like to set everything up very crisp, very clean, very organized for you guys. So obviously read this first and then come down and check out the 7K Metals presentation. All right, so this will show you exactly what 7K Metals is, how it works. It's a subscription-based company. You pay a yearly subscription, either $200 or $500 yearly subscription, kind of like Costco or Sam's Club. When you purchase that membership from Sam's Club or Costco, you're getting a deal for the products in that store. Okay, same with 7K Metals. Once you have the yearly subscription, you're able to go in there and purchase spot and direct dealer prices of silver and gold. Very competitive, very good prices. And you guys will learn exactly what the company is about. I'm not going to tell you all about it. Check out the Zoom meetings. We have them every single day. And if you want to grow this, you can earn an online passive income stream. All right, so that's something really cool that I love about this company is that I can collect gold and silver every single month, get discounted spot prices. I have an online back office that I can convert US dollar to gold or silver, and the company will send me Silver Eagle or Gold Eagle coins. I can earn a passive income stream for life. It's safe. It's long term. It's not going anywhere. And it's just a win-win situation here, guys. So many benefits with this company. This is one option I would suggest everyone to get into. And if you want to build this and grow this, they have a great referral program. And that's why I'm engaged in it. This is my business model, is referral plans, earning online passive income streams in multiple different industries. That being said, guys, starting safe, starting long term, collect gold and silver. It's only $200 per year, and then you can do $100 to $300. There's 3 subscriptions per month, which you can silver and gold sent to your door every single month. So that is really cool, guys. So I don't have to purchase or collect the coins and get them. They send it to you. All right, so if you want to be part of this, guys, pretty great project. I love it. I'll keep you guys updated here. I'll show you guys some of my results of what's going on in 7K Metals. I'm earning $250 per week passively here since I've been growing this, and they have some really good benefits. I just won a trip to Cancun, Mexico. We're actually going February 5th to the 11th. So really excited about that, guys. 7K Metals chat. If you have any support or any questions, concerns, need any help with anything, come to 7K Metals chat and I'll help you guys out. Share also results of what's going on in my back office, kind of pump you guys up, give you guys some inspiration, give you guys some posts if you guys want to take these posts as well, make it your own if you want to turn this into a full-time business. A lot of people are. So winning a trip to Cancun was really cool, guys. I think it's pretty awesome, great benefits. And moving on into the crypto industry. I'm looking for transparency. I'm looking for a company that I believe is going to go the distance. They have good leaders behind them, obviously doing our due diligence and the transparency as in the smart contract. It's a crowdfunding model. Crowdfunding is legal. And then there's AI trading. So we partnered up with a company called Indotech that is going to be trading for us in the industry and profiting, and so we can withdraw and start making some residual income. So they do the work for you. It's simple. You just invest in the company. You learn about it here in Daisy Info. Read up all about it. Check out the Daisy Explainer video. My review personally that I put through Daisy. The PDF, you want to download that, and just basically everything you need to download, how to purchase Tron, how to register on the back office of tronscan.org, and how to maximize your earnings with Daisy. If you want to turn this into a full-time business, we'll show you guys exactly how to do that, how to market it, how to sell it. Okay, so a lot of people are doing just one opportunity and running with it, guys. I'm doing multiple. I'm having multiple income streams, right? I want to set you guys up for success. So no matter what happens, if Daisy goes down or if something happens to another company, you are protected. You're protecting your assets and you're limiting your risk. As they say in the financial world, you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. You want to build in one basket, start there. The profits you make, diversify into another project. So you start with low risk, then you get into medium risk, and then you can start working in the high risk. All right, so just really up to you what you want to do in your investments and what journey you guys want to go on. So many people have different goals. They don't even touch high risk. They just stay in low risk to medium risk. Okay, so Daisy, I believe is medium to high risk. As you know, you're sending your funds, your crypto over to the platform. It's a crowdfunding model, so when that happens, 50% of it goes to the crowdfunding model and the smart contract. And if you guys aren't familiar with smart contracts, basically it's working on the blockchain, the whole technology based behind Bitcoin and other altcoins, Ethereum, Litecoin, but it's on the Tron scan, so the Tron blockchain. Okay, so you're going to see that your funds get sent through the smart contract, gets paid to your uplines, with 50% of that investment goes to the upline. So a certain percentage goes to each upline for direct commissions, right? Direct payment to our wallets, which we're working on the Tron Link wallet. And then 50% of that is going to actually go into your Daisy back office, which is going to be sent to Endotech. Endotech is the company with the artificial intelligence trading software that's going to trade for you and make you income based off the market conditions. It's going to engage into a trade, a position, and exit it, and hopefully with some profits. I've had some people in the industry partner up with Endotech, but it costs $125,000 just to get an account with them. All right, so they work with hedge funds and big investors. So you can't do that, right? I don't have that capital right now to get in there, right? Plus you have to supply the capital to actually start trading. So my buddy did this. He had the capital. He paid $125,000 into Endotech to get a software, and then he put 10 grand on his Binance account, which is a cryptocurrency exchange. And then he linked his API through his Binance, which gave direct access to the third party Endotech to trade on his behalf on those funds. And within 2 years, guys, that 10 grand turned into $228,000. All right, so that's insane amount of results, guys. So they do leveraging, 10xing the capital, and it's very, very successful business model. So they're offering that with Daisy for the average investor, which is $100, which is $50 of it goes to the actual Endotech side. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. If not, watch the presentation here. It'll show you exactly how to do it. I think this is a really good project. Medium, high risk. Obviously 7K metals, low risk, safe, long term. And then I'm going to talk to you guys about Nimbus project. Okay, so Nimbus project, here's the information. It's very similar to Daisy. This will show you a little bit of what Nimbus is. They're dealing with dApps, their own token launch. It'll show you guys their roadmap, DAO, and it's a project of creating value based on real use cases and digital assets. So Nimbus aims to launch a DAO-governed ecosystem of dApps which generate multiple revenue streams for user base on real-world use cases, from peer-to-peer lending to IPOs and crowdfunding participation, supported by 50,000 users and counting. They are very transparent. They're staying connected with us on Telegram, and I'm updating everyone in the Discord server here. So all you got to do, guys, is scroll all the way up if you're just getting in here. Obviously, go to the website, go to my WhatsApp. I'll give people updates on there, here in Discord, and also on my Facebook Messenger chats. Okay, and the most recent news is obviously going to be like today. We're going to be launching here soon. They're just letting us know about the back office of their new Nimbus platform. It is connected through Google Chrome, which is connected through MetaMask, which you have access. This is my wallet right here, and I'll be able to connect my wallet directly to Nimbus. So when we get paid, we're getting paid directly to our wallet. So I love this because Daisy runs on the Tron Scan or Tron Link Google Chrome extension. And I like MetaMask. It's very secure wallets connected right to your account. You have your 12-word recovery phrases, very transparent. And I'm gonna check this out because this just came out, guys. I'm gonna have to connect my wallet and see exactly what's going on with Nimbus. But really good project, guys. I believe they have a long-term sustainability, very new. So if you guys are getting involved, another strategy I love about the crypto space is getting in early and getting a position fast and investing quick. And so my strategy is coming in is getting my capital back as soon as possible. Remember me talking about that? All right, so when I get into a company, I get in early, I get a position quick. I'll make sure obviously it's transparent and it's something, you know, on the blockchain. Dealing with dApps is very educational. It's very transparent, connected directly to your wallets. You're paid instantly to your wallets, which is really cool. Usually smart contracts, meaning I'm not going to explain all that, guys, but it does go into in depth. But like I was saying, when I'm getting in a position, I'm getting in early, I'll actually go in a little heavier. So I'll invest about 500 to 1,000, sometimes 2 grand, 5 grand, 10 grand, and then I'll get that back through my profits that I earn in that project. Okay, so I'll either get it through the commissions through the referral plan. If you don't build, that's fine. Just get it back through the profits that you earn through that company. And when you get that $10,000 back or $1,000 back through your profits, now you broke even. Everything after that's profit. So then I would start compounding. I then start compounding and then withdraw whenever I want, and I can live off that. And that's been my strategy for quite a while, guys. It's been working, and I encourage people to share opportunities with their friends, their family, as they get referral bonuses, because everything in the crypto industry, a lot of projects, it's peer-to-peer. So word of mouth is really big, and that's how companies explode. But obviously, get the direction that you guys need to learn about this industry, to show you guys exactly what the do's and don'ts are. So other than that, Nimbus, all right, so starting with 7K metals, very good. Daisy, Nimbus, Amazon, I'm gonna get to that later, guys. PGI info, this is more high risk. Okay, so anything that's related to not on the blockchain, not a smart contract, not a dApp, just an investment service company, are high risk. Some of them could be scams. I'm not saying it's a scam, but majority of the companies I've been with in the crypto industry, some of them have been scams, and it is high risk. There are some income potential there if you're getting in early, having a position, like I said, and strategizing, getting your capital back through your profits as soon as possible. Then you can start compounding, etc., etc. Okay, so PGI, I actually went out to Vegas. I met the owner, and like I said in the welcome channel in Passive Legends, I shared with you, I go and do Zoom calls with the CEOs, interview them with other leaders, or I get them on a Zoom call, and I ask them questions. I see the transparency. Can I see the back office? I've seen their funds. They just showed us the funds they had in the account, and I actually have not seen the actual trades happening, but I do know that if that is the case, it's high risk. So I would stay away from PGI right now if that's the case, as it's a high risk. If you already are experienced and you want to dabble in there, they have been frequently doing just around 1% daily, and once you get your 200% back, your basically your contract expires and you can recontract later with the same investment or higher. I have some people or some buddies, my uplines are in $100,000 investment. So when they get $200,000 back, that's what they get back, and then they can do another $100,000. So I mean, really good, but also really high risk. Okay, so it's FX. All right, so now we're in Forex. All right, if you guys ever been interested in Forex, all right, it is high risk. Anything in the industry, obviously with crypto and Forex, it's high risk just getting in the industry, right? All right, so not including the projects, when you're coming into Forex, you got to be careful, because I've dabbled in some software, some EA software that has made me some profit, but also lost me a lot of money, because the software is too risky. Getting in the market, and all of a sudden the market tanked, and it basically blew accounts, meaning I started with $1,000. All of a sudden, that $1,000 gone. So be very careful in Forex, guys. I came across this amazing company called It's FX. I'm partners with my buddy Zach Anstis with this, and he knows the owners. I know the owners. We're actual friends. We've been in other projects, and they've taken the reins by themselves to learning the industry. They've been trading Forex for years, and they created their own software to actually trade, get in the market, and get out of the market as fast as they can. All right, so I've been showing my results here. Has the video. We actually created this video with Fiverr, and if you want to check out the actual project, you come here, click the link, and it'll show you exactly who It's FX is. Very new company, so you're going to be a founding member when you come in here. I think the website's very clean. It'll show you guys exactly who they are, and what they do, what they can do for you, and it'll explain everything in depth right here in Discord, just in this video. So just watch this video. But my results have been really good here, guys. I've been trialing other software that have been okay. The new software that we've been using called Solo is actually very good. It actually got me back that $500 from that guy that lost me the money, and now I'm moving towards into pure profit. Okay, so I have a $4,000 account. I'm up to almost $5,000 now. I'll show you guys the results. So last month I made $431 in It's FX with their software. So you'll see some red. Yes, they do have some losing trades, and they have some winning trades. Welcome to the industry of trading, guys, because in this industry, you'll have some losing trades, losing days, and you'll have some winning days. All right, so a lot of things that people don't understand, they think everything should be perfect and just make profit every single day. That's not how the industries work, guys. Real companies trade that are really trading will profit or have losses. All right, so they have profit months and then they have loss months. All right, so you got to find some company that has more positive than negative, obviously, right? That's the goal. I think It's FX is a medium risk because I'm going to put it in the middle because Forex is risky, obviously with the market. But if you have a good company that knows what they're doing, the software is very good. I highly suggest getting into It's FX. It's only $1,000 minimum to get involved, and you can actually even do a demo account. You don't want to spend any money. You want to see how the software works. You could do a demo account and watch the results through there first before you getting your feet wet into actual real capital. All right, so I'm going to put this medium to low risk, honestly, because I think this is a really good project. But even though it being Forex, I think Forex is very volatile. So you got to be careful. All right, so that's It's FX info, guys. If you need any support or assistance here in It's FX chat, let me know, guys. I also will give you guys updates of, hey, just posted another video, let you guys know what's going on. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything, need help or assistance, let me know. Now the grand finale. Something, if you guys are looking for something, this I believe is probably right up there with the safest investment because being Amazon. Okay, if you guys know Amazon, obviously you understand that that's the future. And I get products sent here every single week, every other week, or at least once or a couple times a month. So I know it's not going anywhere, but all right, so I was very skeptical at first, guys, but I've been working with a good buddy of mine that I've helped in crypto. He mentioned what he does full time is Amazon FBA automation. So I'm like, what is that? He's like, well, you sell products on Amazon. Okay, and I'm like, well, how do you do that? And so he sent me this PDF, Amazon FBA automation. So it's FBA means fulfilled by Amazon. I love this because I just started this. It's definitely something out of my comfort zone. You know, I made enough capital to be able to purchase my own automation store. So the company basically manages and product research, marketing, branding, listings, refunding, you name it. They purchase products, and then they send it to Amazon warehouses, and then they simply sell the products and make you profit. All right, so that is the overview, the basic version of how this goes down. There's a lot of moving parts, but they personally have people working for you for you to actually earn some income here in Amazon. This is my sellercentral.amazon.com back office of my profits that I've made so far, and I'm only 3 days in, guys. All right, and I've already made 1,600, and on top of that, 148 after these are fulfilled. So don't worry about this. We had to cancel a listing because it was sold out, and Amazon doesn't like it when you make a listing and whatever. So they have a lot of rules, but it is definitely worth it, guys. I absolutely am having an awesome experience. I'm learning a lot about Amazon automation and how this exactly works and how I can actually manage my own store. So they have a team of people that do this for you, fulfill the items, and all I do is pay $600 per month to have them maintain it. I keep 100% of my profits. So $1,600 plus 148 will be added on to that. Is actually going into my pocket, but I'm actually going to put it back into the company, purchase more products, and keep doing this and scale it and make it bigger and bigger. And $100,000 later, I know people that are making 5-6 figures with Amazon automation. So really cool, guys. I think this is awesome. If you want to look more into it, obviously it's here in Discord in Amazon info, showing you guys exactly what it's about, how it works. Just download this PDF and let me know if you guys have any questions in the Amazon chat, and I'll be transparent with you guys, show you exactly what's going on and how things are going, and my losses, my profits, etc., what products I'm selling. And if you guys want to be a part of that, let me know. I think it's really awesome and very, very exciting. So other than that, guys, I wanted to just share with you guys the projects that I'm doing. I think it's very educational. It's inspiring. It's very profitable. And if you have a good strategy, like I said, if you guys need any insight, let me know. I'm here to help you guys. That's the whole purpose of my journey, is to help people make passive income streams. So welcome to Passive Legends, everybody. I really appreciate your guys' time. I know it's been a longer video. It's probably one of the longest videos that I've made, but definitely full of value, strategy from low, medium to high risk investments in multiple different industries. So kind of just pick your pie, guys. When you start earning income, then dabble in that next one. You don't have to do it exactly in the order that I'm doing, but I really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much. Please like the video, subscribe if you guys have not, and I'll give you guys more value and more content here, just to show you guys my results in each project. And so I'll do each video with each project just to update you guys, let you know what's going on. Or if you guys want me to do it all in one video, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what you guys liked about the video. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you guys on the next video.